everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh and easy blueberry crisp completely from scratch. I'm creating this recipe in partnership with QVC, who invited me to pick a few products from their website, qvc.com, to use in my kitchen. I decided to pick some things that I would use in the kitchen all the time, starting with this set of melamine mixing bowls. I love them because I can use them in the kitchen to stir things up. I can also use them outside to serve like a pasta salad or a tossed salad. I also picked this cast iron enameled braising set. It has a glass lid so you can see things cooking. It's made of cast iron, so it cooks your food evenly. I love making baked casseroles. I love baking cakes. You can also roast chicken. It is so versatile, you're going to use this all the time. You can order these products and many more things on qvc.com. Thank you, QVC, for sponsoring this video. And now I'm gonna show you how to make that blueberry crisp. To start our blueberry crisp, we're just going to mix up the blueberry mixture first. So I'm gonna take a bowl here, and I have about 3.5 cups of blueberries. This is actually 4 cups, but the more the merrier. Some of the berries are small, so they're gonna break down in the juices, and I just like to kind of like make up for that. And then I have sugar. So we're gonna add the sugar to the blueberries. A little bit of cornstarch. This helps tighten up those juices so it's just not like super watery. And then we have some vanilla, a little bit of ginger. I'm gonna zest my lemon. Once you've zested your lemon, then you can cut it in half. It just makes it a little bit easier to get that zest off if you do it ahead of time before you juice it. You wanna catch your seeds in your hand, or you can use a little mesh sieve if you have one. And if you get any seeds in there, it's okay. Whoever gets the seed can wash the dishes. So now we're just gonna mix everything up until it's all tossed together. Now that it's all mixed, we're going to transfer it to this pan. Now that your blueberries are on an even layer, we're gonna set this aside just for a moment. And now we're gonna make the crisp topping. So I have a smaller bowl, and we're gonna add oats, some flour, cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, sugar, and then I have 5 tablespoons of butter, and I cubed it, and it's been chilled for a little bit so that it's kind of still cold. This is gonna help your crumble come together. We're just gonna stir that up, and then you're gonna break it apart with a fork to make sure that you have like pea-sized crumbles. Sometimes it's easier to get in there with your hands, So this is about how it should look. Just gonna break it up into little bits with your fingers. Sometimes it takes a little longer to come along. My butter was a little more frozen than it should have been, so we had to work through that. But now we're just gonna sprinkle it all evenly on top of your blueberries, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven until it's like bubbling and crisp. All right, so I just took this out of the oven. It is molten and bubbly. So I'm going to go in. It smells so amazing. Try not to like scold myself. That is so good. You can taste the hints of spice, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and vanilla, and the blueberries are amazing. Thanks again to QVC for sponsoring this video. I've linked to all the products down in the description so you can shop them too. Don't forget to follow us to see more videos, and thanks again.